Hello guys and welcome. What we have here is the latest model of Mazda 2. It's a 2017 model equipped with a Skyactiv engine. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin filter of this vehicle. The cabin filter is located inside the dashboard in front of the glove box. To remove the glove box, there are two plastic stoppers. In order to pull the glove box, push both side panel inward and pull it away. So once again, here's how to do it. That is the stopper. Here's the hatch that acts as a hinge of the glove box. Here are the 4 points to remember. That is the AC system. This section is where the blower is located and the cabin filter, which is about to be replaced. The filter has two locks. It has different sizes. The upper lock is larger compared to the lower one. Just squeeze the two tabs and pull the filter. This is how the old filter looks like. This is real filthy and sometimes smelly. The air could hardly pass at all. So I bought a replacement cabin filter which cost 550 pesos. Same markings and quality but for a lower price. The filter cannot be inverted since the lock tabs are in different sizes. Make sure it clicks. If it doesn't, check it to make sure that it isn't inverted. Once finished, reinstall the glove box. Make sure both ends fits. Push both sides inward and raise the glove box to place both plastic stoppers. Close it and test the AC system. So there you have it. Stronger, fresher, and cleaner air from the system. That is how you replace a cabin filter. I'll be releasing more videos about usual preventive maintenance procedures for this Mazda 2 Skyactiv, so stay tuned. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos. Thank you for watching and God bless.